Hi, I'm Chad McCoy.
And I'm Sheila Heaston, and we're with the law firm of McCoy and Heaston with offices in both Bardstown and Louisville. We're here to talk to you today about the new medical review panels law that was passed in the legislature and was signed into law and will become effective June 29th of 2017. So any case that is filed after that time has to be submitted to a panel, and you have to wait 9 months before you can file your lawsuit in circuit court. There are several problems with this law as I perceive it. The first one is a significant problem in that we are just a few weeks away from the implementation of this law, and nothing has been done procedurally to give us an indication of how this is going to be done. The filing fee hasn't been established. Additional staff has not been incorporated at the cabinet. There's been no KAR procedures set forth as to exactly how we're going to do all of these things. You know, what comes first, what's the form for filing, how a response is done, what experts are to be presented, if any, how discovery is to be done. So none of that is in place, and as I said, we're just a few weeks out. The second problem that I perceive is that, unbeknownst to most doctors in this state, they shall serve on the panel. So effectively, they are going to be forced to serve on these panels, despite if they have 17 surgeries scheduled. You know what? We've picked you out, you're on this panel, and now you have to do it for the grand total of, is it $350?
$350.
$350 flat. No additional amount for all the work that they're going to do on these panels. Additionally, we have problems with being able to get these panels put together in enough time to get the evidence. So let's say we did have procedures in place where here's the deadline, you've got a 1-year statute of limitations in Kentucky. So we're going to assume the 1-year statute of limitations still applies. You've got the 1 year to file the claim before the cabinet. Then how much time do you have to do they have to get an answer or a response, whatever they might call it, filed? But then how much time is it going to take to get the doctors appointed? How much time is it going to take them to review the information that they need? It's just logistically a nightmare. And finally, there are going to be a lot of constitutional challenges to this law, or at least I perceive that there are. As I read the Kentucky Constitution and I read this, it is a delay to access to justice. It does not conform with the law as it was created. It just doesn't follow the Kentucky Constitution. So there are a plethora of problems. I don't know how they're going to be overcome. I don't know how it's going to be met within the next 30 days. We're willing to work with them to help, but logistically I don't see how it's going to get done.